So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can disable pop-up blocker on MacBook. So guys, if you're a new user and you don't know how to do that, then this video is for you. So let's get into the video without any delays. So guys, if you're a Mac user, you would probably use Safari as your default browser. So first of all, just go ahead and open that. And once you're there, just go ahead and tap on Safari menu and you'll see these options. Just go ahead and tap on settings right here, which is right above privacy report. Tap on it and now you'll see these options. So guys, once you're here, you'll see options like general, tabs, autofill, passwords, search, security, privacy, websites, profiles, extensions, and advanced. So guys, just go ahead and tap on website. And once you're there, just scroll down till you find this option that says pop-up windows. So guys, now just go ahead and tap on this button right here, this blue button that says block and notify. So once you tap here, there's an option to block and notify, or just block or allow. So guys, since we're disabling pop blockers, we just need to go ahead and tap on allow. And guys, there you go. That's how you disable pop-up blockers in MacBook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.